This is Prasanna. Today I am going to say seminar on 18th question. Rama Transport Company purchased 6 trucks at rupees 5 lakhs each on 1st January 2011. The company writes off depreciation 10% per annum on original cost. The books of account are closed on 31st December every year. On 1st July 2013, one of the trucks is involved in an accident and completely destroyed. The sum of 2,50,000 is received from insurance company in full settlement. Prepare truck account for first 3 years. As in the question, 1st January 2011, we purchased 6 trucks for 5 lakhs. Here each truck costs 5 lakhs. The answer is 30 lakhs. So the original cost. Now we'll calculate annual depreciation. Annual depreciation formula is original cost into rate of depreciation by 100. Original cost is 30 lakhs into what is the depreciation percentage? 10%. 10 by 100. The amount is 3 lakhs. This is depreciation. This is all rough. Now as the machinery account table, Rama Transport Company in the books of machinery account straight line method. Debit, credit, date, particulars, journal folio amount, date, particulars, journal folio amount. Now we'll start writing from 2011 January 1st. 2011 January 1st to bank account. The amount is 5 lakhs for all 6 trucks. The amount is 30 lakhs. Now in credit side, December 31st by depreciation account. As we calculated, the depreciation is 3 lakhs. Now again December 31st by balance C by D. Now 30 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. The answer will be 27 lakhs. So we'll write 27 lakhs. Here the amount is 30 lakhs. The equal amount is 30 lakhs. Now we'll go to year 2012. Again January 1st. As the balance C by D will be transferred to next year as to balance B by D. Same amount 27 lakhs. Again 2012 December 31st by depreciation account As the depreciation is 3 lakhs, we'll write 3 lakhs. Again, December 31st by balance C by D. Again, 27 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. As we calculated, the answer is 24 lakhs. We'll write 24 lakhs. Here the amount will be 27 lakhs. The equal amount is 27 lakhs. Now we'll go to 2013 January 1st. As the balance C by D will be transferred to next year, as to balance B by D, the amount is 24 lakhs 2013. Now, as in the question, in 2013 there is an accident of one truck. Now the insurance company for the truck will give the amount 2,50,000. It's a profit which is coming to our company. So we'll write in credit side as July 1st by bank account. What's the amount? 2,50,000. Now we need to find the depreciation. As there is an accident for only one truck, we'll calculate the depreciation for only one truck, which costs 5 lakhs. Now 5 lakhs. Now we'll calculate depreciation. 10 by 100. The amount is 50,000. This is depreciation. As now company has lost only one truck in an accident, the present trucks that are working for the company, 6 minus 1, because of the accident, 5 trucks are there. So into 5, we'll get the answer 25 lakhs. Now the truck for the company has worked only for 6 months. Those are January, February, March, April, May, June. These are 6 months. We have to calculate depreciation of 50,000 for 6 months because we used the truck only for 6 months. If we calculate, we'll get 25,000. Now we'll add both of these in the depreciation. Now December 31st by depreciation account. We'll write as we wrote here 25 lakhs plus 25,000. The answer will be 2,75,000. Now we have to calculate the profit or loss. Now this you have to write in working. as we have to calculate the profit and loss of the machinery. The original cost is only 5 lakhs for one truck, right? Let's say depreciation for 3 years. We are calculating depreciation for 3 years. This is 2011, 12, 13. As the depreciation for 5 lakhs is 50,000 for 2011 and 2012, 50,000. For 2013, we'll take 25,000 because the depreciation is only taken for 6 months. If you calculate the depreciation for 6 months, we'll get 25,000. As we add all this, we'll get 1,25,000. Now we have to write less in the books of machinery. If we subtract this amount from the 5 lakhs, we'll get 3,75,000. Now we'll subtract this from 2,50,000 because the insurance company has given insurance of 2,50,000. As we subtracted, we'll get 1,25,000. This is the loss which the company has to bear. This will be transferred to profit and loss account. As the profit and loss account is 1,25,000 December 31st, again by balance C by D. Now to get balance C by D, we need to add all these three. What are those? 2,50,000, 2,75,000, 1,25,000. We'll get 6,50,000. Now we need to subtract this amount from 24 lakhs. We get the amount 1,75,000. We'll write as 1,75,000. Here the total is 24 lakhs. If we add all this, we'll get the equal amount 24 lakhs. This again balance C by D will be transferred to next year. We'll write 2014 January 1st to balance D by D. The amount is 1,75,000. Hope you understand. If any doubts, please ask me. Thank you.